The problem we try to solve with DataHerald is that we think there's a lot of data out there in the world, both public data, but also private data vendors, and most people in the world really can't use it because you need data engineers, you need to have technical capabilities to access that data. We want to make that no code. We do it for a wide variety of industries, so newsrooms, but also a lot of financial services companies. Probably the number one challenge right now as a startup, even a well-funded startup like ourselves, is getting engineers. Some of the challenges we had with using Selenium to build automated tests were that we needed our engineering resources to build those tests and maintain those tests. And that was just not an option that was scalable for us. I saw testRigor and what they were doing, and I just thought this looks exactly like the tool we've been looking for, so it was the match made in heaven. The tool is so easy to use that if you can speak English, you can pretty much figure out how to use the tool. Even on a lot of the smaller features that we made, which sometimes broke existing functionality, they were caught by the ongoing regression testing that was happening. So from the first week after, things that would have affected our customer experience with the software were caught by testRigor before going live. The efficiency we've gotten with testRigor is really in two ways. Number one, when we make changes to existing features, we don't have to spend resources going and updating old tests. So now our engineer is free to actually be working on new features and products. And those automated regression tests, just one single manual tester who, as long as they can speak English, they can go and change a few lines in English and update all those tests. So that frees up engineering resources for us to go and build new features and deliver on new scenarios for our customers. One of the best parts about testRigor is their support is extremely responsive, really helpful. Their support engineer that we work with, at least, is Kevin. He's like Google. Whenever I think something, he's thought of the answer ahead of time. So you're not going to be on hold on a call anywhere. So you just fire off the question and it's going to be solved in a couple of minutes. I think the only way to deliver high quality software products in today's hiring environment is to use testRigor